Hey guys, Casey Ferris here. Thanks for checking out another video of mine here on YouTube. Today we're talking about a really quick trick to add an effect to your node graph inside of the Fusion tab in DaVinci Resolve 15. This is super easy, super simple, but it will let you work about a jillion times faster, scientists have claimed. So here's what it is. I have this graphic here, a little animation pointing out that this guy's name is Jesse, and all I want to do is add a drop shadow to this little gray box. Normally what I do is go up to my effects library and hope I know where drop shadow lives. I go into effect and shadow, and I'll grab that and drag that in between my background and my merge. That'll make a little shadow that I can use for my graphics. That goes pretty quick, but you can do it even quicker. Zoom this in so we can see what we're doing here. I'm gonna delete my shadow thing. And then with my background selected, I'm just gonna hit Control Space and type SHADOW, and that's gonna bring up my shadow effect. I hit OK, and I hit Enter on my keyboard, and there I can quickly add my shadow without having to go through menus, without having to click around. Just hit Control Spacebar, and that will bring up this menu. Now, a couple things to note about this is whatever node that you have selected, it's going to try and add that after that node, okay? So if I have the shadow node after my text selected, and I hit Control Space, and I type transform, it's gonna add a transform node after my shadow. And if I move this around, it's gonna move both my text and my shadow around. If I don't have anything selected, wherever I click on the canvas is where it's gonna put that node. So if I click over here and type transform, that's where it's gonna put it. So you can really quickly add a whole tree of things with this shortcut. Like let's say I wanna recreate this whole thing. I can just click up here, Control Space, text, text plus, shadow, merge, transform, and I can start to build my tree very quickly using the keyboard. One last note, every single thing here has a little shortcut. So you don't have to type in texture 2D, you can say 3TX. Instead of typing background, you could just type BG and it'll pop up like that. This comes in really handy when there's multiple things that pop up for the first few letters that you type. So MER has a whole bunch of different things that pop up. Even type MERG, there's 4 things still. But if I just want a normal merge node, I can type MRG and I can quickly find what I'm looking for. And then once you start to memorize everything, like XF is transform, BG is background, you can add stuff even faster. So there you go, there's a quick way to add nodes without having to go through a bunch of menus. I hope this is helpful in your compositing and workflow, makes things go a little faster for you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. If you like this, hit like, and for more Fusion tutorials, DaVinci Resolve tutorials, post-production goodness, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you know when I post a new video, because we're gonna have all kinds of goodies coming out that you won't wanna miss. Anyway, that about does it for me. My name is Casey Ferris. I will catch you next time.